Alright, PhoenixTypewriter.com here. Just got done reworking this IBM 1000 complete clean and service after 20 years of no maintenance. And I'm going to redo this label here with a magic marker. I'm just going to record the process of how I do that. Get this in a position I can handle here. Alright, so I've already cleaned it. I'm going to take my marker. It's just an average magic marker. Get my good glasses on here. And I'm actually, now that I see that a little closer, I'm going to clean it a little more. Because I just noticed some dirt between the lines there. Okay, that's probably a little better. Okay, I think that's a little better. The camera to stop shaking, but you can just take your magic marker and carefully paint these lines like that. Gotta keep it steady, not press too hard. Or you'll make a mistake. But I've done this a few times, so it looks really good when it's done. So and it's almost done. Okay, done. Looks a little better. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.